Do-it-yourself Del here with another foodie Bill. This time we've got some chocolate banana milk. Yes, you heard me correctly, chocolate banana milk. So, step number one, you gotta shake it. And I always look at the stats, and I don't know that anything looks that bad. And meat mu'ala, I guess that's mu'ala in the tree there. And organic and plant-based. Looks like they're showing some bananas there. And calcium and potassium. Okay. Well, there's the bananas and there's the chocolate. So chocolate banana milk makes sense. So let's see what this stuff tastes like. There. I didn't exactly give myself a generous portion. That's because I want to see what it tastes like first. You can taste the chocolate right away. Maybe it's me, but I can't get the banana taste. It's a very thick, overwhelming chocolate taste. So maybe it's me, but I'm not getting the... It's chocolatey, so even if you don't like bananas, you're going to get the chocolate wallop out of this. And shop our quality plant-based beverages. And let's see, creamers, oat milk. Okay, so there it is. I don't know what to add to this. I'm not really that much of a chocolate milk guy. When I do have it, I like it thinned out a little bit. So with me, I would probably mix this with some white milk or something. And I can't really taste the bananas in it. Again, I'm not saying anything about the product. I'm saying it might be me. It might be my particular taste buds involved here, but got a whole bunch of vitamins listed here. It doesn't seem like the fat and the fat and the sat fat doesn't seem to be too bad. No cholesterol. Let me give it another. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. Maybe the banana taste is in the bottom. And mu'ula. Not sure how to pronounce that. Mu'ula?
Mola?
Mola. There it goes. And, always pays to get a second opinion about these kinds of things. And mu'ula. 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 Bottoms up. I think I'm getting it with the banana now. I think I'm getting it. Bananas mix well with chocolate and, say, a chocolate sundae, that kind of thing. And so they got them mixed up right here with your milk. I might use this milk in my cereal, because I've been using chocolate milk in it and it's working out pretty good. And I always used to put bananas in it anyway. So previously I put banana milk in the cereal, it worked out good. Put the chocolate milk in the cereal, it worked out good. Normally I just put white milk in there, the white almond style non-dairy kind of milk. And so here, Dell here with some
Koala
additional
milk.
comments about the Mooala milk. This isn't normal milk. It's plant-based, and some people, I've had 3 different opinions on this. It's chocolate and it's banana. Myself could only taste the chocolate. Others could only taste, one other could only taste the banana, and one could taste both, but mostly the chocolate. And it's comparing this to regular milk is just not a fair evaluation of it. It's plant-based. It's nut-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, lactose-free, soy-free, carrageenan-free, and vegan. And this thing has 35% copper in it. And we're talking about milk here. 10% magnesium, B6, potassium, 25% calcium. So it's not a normal rundown for milk. And like I said, the fat and the sat fat are all right. And it's got 17 grams of carbohydrate, and its serving size is 1 cup. And the total sugars is 10%. Got a little bit of protein. And I wanted to make sure this time, that's why I'm using the glass, because it's nut-free, dairy-free. Yeah, I already made that out here. And here's Mooala in the tree, pronounced like koala, Mooala. He has spots like a cow but lives in a tree. He's almost like a regular koala, except he picks nuts, seeds, and fruit from his favorite tree and blends them into most delicious plant-based beverages in a secret Mooala factory. And then he leaves bottles at your favorite grocery store. So this apparently is kind of unique in a lot of ways. I maybe did not do it justice before. And did you know our chocolate banana milk is a good source, an excellent source of calcium? So if nothing else, if you need the calcium, drink this stuff. And they think it deserves a ribbon at the state fair. And less than 100 calories per serving. It's a winner in smoothies. Defies gravity, picks up your kids and turns back time. We made the last part up, but everything, these people got a sense of humor. They'd have to be producing something like this, but there it is. It's kind of unique, and it's maybe not fair to eval it by a traditional perspective. But there it is. This product might just be what you're looking for.